House lawmaker on the run Elizalde Co is running out of time and safe spaces to move freely all about the planet to evade his appointment with destiny. His latest proposition to the president to nix the cancellation of his passport for a halt in his episodic video exposés fell flat. Our Kenneth Paciente on the president letting yet another cat out of the bag earlier today.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself revealed that the camp of resigned Representative Zaldi Co. allegedly attempted to blackmail the government regarding the cancellation of the former lawmaker's passport.
Dinapitan po kami ng abogado ni Zaldi Co. at nagtatangkang mag-blackmail na kung hindi po namin kakanselihin daw ang passport niya, hindi na raw siya maglalabas ng video.
However, the chief executive insisted that Co, who is tagged as one of those behind the alleged anomalous insertions in the 2025 national budget, can no longer escape the law.
I do not negotiate with criminals. Kahit maglabas ka na ng video ng lahat ng kasinungalingan mo na pag-destabilize sa gobyerno, gusto kong malaman mo, Zaldi, makakansela pa rin ang passport mo. Hindi ka na makakatakas sa hustisya.
The president earlier challenged Co to return to the country and face the allegations against him head-on. As of now, Co, along with 15 officials of the Department of Public Works and Highways and representatives of SunWest Corporation, have warrants of arrest issued against them by the Sandigan Bayan. They were charged by the Ombudsman with graft and malversation of public funds in connection with the alleged anomalous 289.5 million flood control projects in Oriental Mindoro. The president also shared that 8 more congressmen allegedly involved in corruption in flood control projects have been recommended charged by the Ombudsman based on evidence gathered by the ICI and the DPWH.
Magsusumite po ng ebidensya sa Ombudsman and magrekomenda sila ng kaso ng plunder, anti-graft, bribery, conflict of interest sa 8 congressman na may-ari ng mga construction company na may proyekto sa DPWH.
Along with these, the chief executive reported that the freeze order issued by the Anti-Money Laundering Council against those involved in the corruption case has been expanded.
Kasama po dito ang mga air asset ni Zaldi Co, ang value mga 4 billion. At bukod pa ron, meron po tayong nakuhang 3,566 na bank account, 198 insurance policies, 247 motor vehicles, 178 real properties, 16 na e-wallet account, at saka air asset na frozen na.
The president emphasized that this is only the beginning of the government's recovery of stolen public funds, so these can be returned to the people. In total, the value of properties frozen by the government in connection with the flood control scandal has now reached 12 billion pesos. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.